Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back again with some more sharing of my haul from the Stamp and Scrapbook Expo that was here in Mesa, Arizona a couple weekends ago. This stuff, I don't remember where I got it from, but I think it was like when we had breakouts or breaks and the vendors would sell in the halls while we were doing the make intakes, but I'm not for certain. So I was just gonna share with you because I know I remember some of the prices and I got good deals, I think. But so starting off, I got these 3 alcohol inks, mineral, denim, and bottle, and they were $1.50 each. I don't mess with alcohol inks too much, but I figured, oh, $1.50 each, I can just add these to my small stash that I have. So I got those. And then I knew we were making shakers, or I did have a shaker to complete, actually a couple of them. So I was looking for sequins, but everything was like I had sequins at home that I just didn't pack to bring. And so I was just looking for something cheap, and so I found a vendor that was selling these for $1 a pack. And the colors, I needed red specifically and green or white because I was doing a Christmas card. But so this is what I found, and so these worked well because I picked green out of this mix. I used the red and the white, and this was the card that I made. The girls that I sat with, my new crafty friends, they brought this for all of them to make. So, and they had an extra one for me, so thank you, ladies. So yeah, so this is what I used the shaker bits for. So yeah, I came in clutch. But yeah, so I got these for $1 each. I got 5 packs of those, and then these were $1 each, which I thought would make cute shakers as well. They're just little flowers by Pink and Maine. I think, yeah, they were $1 each too. I don't think it was like buy 5 get 1 free. I think they were $1 each as well. And then I picked up these. It says Mini Moment chipboard albums, and they're just they're probably from Tall Mouse as well, but they're just the back and the front for to make an album, and it's mini ears. So I got some of those. I actually got one for me, and then the other 2 are for giveaways. And then I also picked up this pack of glitter paper. There's different patterns in it, and I don't remember where I got it from, but the vendor or the brand is Forever in Time. I also got a paper pack from Forever in Time in this pink monochromatic heavy cardstock. So these are the different papers that are in there. I'll do it one more time. So yeah, I got those, and then I got these slimline tag dies. These are tag dies, but I don't remember where I bought them from at all. So I got these from the Expo, and then I picked up some of this paper from Craft and Creativity. And they're just single sheets of paper that they've put some type of media on. But then I got these with the gold stamps, and then there's like white thread through it. And then I got one in blue hues as well. So yeah, this was ones that I got from vendors. I don't remember who I got them from. But yeah, I have like quite a few more hauls that I did at the expo. Believe me, I do damage every year when I go there. But it's lots of fun and I enjoy it, so what the heck. But yeah, so for more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.